hotel porter in this very elevator on his way up to a room with a luggage trolley. It stops at the pool level where a married couple get in, and as the elevator doors close, the wife states to her husband that she's mighty hungry, following their swim. So the porter overhears this and politely asks if they'd like to have room service deliver a couple of burgers to the room. They say yes, thank him, and he exits the lift. A $40 sale, all because the porter had been trained and encouraged to act on information gleaned. Now, my insurance broker's a friend of mine, and when I mention to him that I've just bought, say, a new camera lens, he almost always says, hey, listen, let's add it to your insurance policy straight away. He too earns revenue by actively listening. The thing is, staff need to be trained to pay attention to what they see and hear, and then encouraged to act. In the case of the hotel guests, the porter saved them the hassle of having to call room service. My insurance broker saved me a phone call that I probably would have forgotten about. Classic win-win scenarios. When a messages on hold client has us promote the opening of a new branch on their phone system, I need my team to be switched on enough to realise that they may need another on-hold system for that site. If they're not suggesting one of our sales team calls to organise that new addition, I've not done my job. This week, why not focus on honing your and your team's eavesdropping skills, and in turn, enjoying the benefits. I'm Kim Illman, and thank you for watching.